Hey, hello guys, this is day number 32. Welcome back to the channel. This is my challenge. I will speak English every single day until get fluent. Doing our speaking questions to improve speaking skills. This is obvious. To improve speaking, we need to start speak as more as possible, and with people, with camera, with yourself. Actually, anyway, speaking is good. Yeah. Because of this, let's continue. What else today? What kind of topic I wanna about work. Yes. Which kind of jobs have the high salaries in your country and why? In my country, I would say that it's something in the financial area. No, probably some stockbroker in the stock market, or some job in a bank, accounting. I don't know, actually, something of financial, I guess, in this area. What kind of areas? Let's see. Probably IT guys who are really good in programming and coding, different languages to code. Engineering, I study for engineering program in the university, and this is not the most the high paid job in Russia. I don't know why, but it's not really. So something like this, yeah. IT guys, bank, financial area. I will say this. Question number 2: are there any jobs that you think should have higher salaries? Definitely. I have literally a list of jobs that's underpaid nowadays. Unfortunately, yeah. So in my country, in Russia, it's undoubtedly some teacher profession. Teacher is underpaid. What else? Doctors, nurses, I guess. Any of this, how we can call this kind of jobs? This like classic job, but this is necessary job in our society. Yeah, this is not some premium job, but this is really necessary, and without teachers, without doctors, our society is not gonna exist anymore, I guess. This is really important jobs, but I don't know why, and it's underpaid. In fact, that people like teachers and doctors devote really much time to the job and much efforts to teach people, to help them. Even not only like teachers, is police, maybe fire, fire organization. How is it? Who can put out the fire workers, yeah. What is the most common way to get a job these days? The most spread way, what mostly people follow in their lives, this is a way of school, then university. You choose the job in school and get to university, to this line of study what you wanna work in the future in, and after university, you, with God's help, go to some job interview in some company and try to become employer. Yeah, this is the most common way, and mostly it works like this, I guess, in any country. Damn, this is cockroaches, guys. Can you imagine? Foo, брысь. It was death cockroaches, dormitory life. But as my life knowledge, what I already have, and just surveys in internet says that following this way, people eventually don't have like the dream job. Yeah, because on YouTube in university, in our English class, we watched a YouTube video. It was like a street survey. Just they asked random people on the streets, somewhere in Miami, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. Somewhere in Miami, people were asked about their current job and about their dream job. And it's like 9 of 10 people didn't have a dream job. Like the current job, it isn't their dream job. Why? Why? Because of several reasons, obviously. For example, the guy was teacher, but he wants to be exploring, travel, or something like design. I don't know. But he already teacher. He probably entered the university. He graduated from university. I'm sorry, and get his profession. Maybe because of financial. Maybe he doesn't wanna risk. They take a risk and try to forget about his experience and go to another area, completely another, and trying to learn something brand new for him. Maybe he's just scared, afraid of some new experience and a change in life, and they often prefer to take a common job and live a life, continue living life without dream job, without dreaming and following big goals, big dreams. Yeah, without it. This is the problem at the same time with our society, that people have to continue earning money right now just to survive and pay, for example, pay rents in apartments. They don't have opportunity to even try dream job because they need money right now. This is the question of surviving in big cities, something like this. I guess so. So it depends on many factors. Yeah. What is the most calm? There's a question. Sorry. Is money always the important way things when choosing a job? It depends on personality. Yeah. For someone, money is the most important. Even people sometimes ready to do not the job what I really truly love, just because of money. If they have money, this is the main things for them. Yeah. But personally, as far as I'm concerned, I would better try. I would better try to do what I truly love, even without big profits right now, even without quick results or money. I will try to save my money what I already have, or just economize. Try not to live luxury life right now, but do what I truly love, what I have passion to, and be patient. Be patient and feel patience. What is the difference? Patience. All right, you understand, I guess. Yes, patient. Yeah, and eventually I will continue do it if I truly love it. If I will do consistently every single day, I guess this will be paid off. Yeah, eventually you will get this money. You will become rich, just following your dream and do what you like. That's why I stick to this kind of idea. Yeah, I would choose better this way than get a common, for example, desk job or job what not I'm satisfied with. So yeah, guys, thank you everyone for being here. Really appreciate it. You leave the comments after all my video. It is already more than 1,000. It's 1,300 subscribers. Really crazy. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Let's learn English and let's get the most paid job in the world, and let's follow our dreams and get our dream job. Become fucking rich. Thank you. Bye bye.